everyone, and welcome back to Tidy Mommy. I'm so glad that many of you have been inspired by my videos on organizing specific toys, so I decided to put together a summary of the basic organizing principles that have really helped us in the last 8 years. I'm normally a neat person, but then I had 3 boys. Our house is constantly swamped with toys, especially during birthdays and Christmas. Before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and comment below if you have any organizing challenge you want me to talk about. So here are my 5 basics of toy organization. It's simply SMART. The first is S for sort. If you're going to do this for the first time, gather all the toys you have in one place. This is important, especially if they're all over the house, so you can have a clear and complete picture of everything you have. Start sorting by category, then by type. For example, separate play vehicles from action figures. For very young kids, you can just have general categories, but for older kids, you can sort further. Like my eldest is 8, so we sort play vehicles into cars and trains, and construction bricks into Legos and Duplos. The older the kids, the more granular you can go. Next, M is for minimize. Once you've surveyed everything, reduce them by starting with those that you have too many of, or those that are broken, outgrown, or toys that your kids are simply no longer interested in. I personally find letting go difficult, especially those that have special memories, so I just choose 1 or 2 really special ones for storage, then give away or donate the rest. With my older kids, we talk about which ones we really want to keep, even with presents. So the toys they really want to play with can be fully enjoyed instead of getting drowned out by clutter. The third basic is A. Arrange into permanent homes. When thinking about storage, I always ask myself first, what are the items to be stored and how much are there? The key is to keep everything accessible and within your kids' reach when choosing storage. That's why low open shelves are really the best for almost all types of toys and can easily be added to as your collection grows for a neat and uniform look. Arrange by category and then by type while making sure that each toy has a clear home so kids will know where to pack them away and where to find them later. My kids are big fans of Paw Patrol, so we sort play sets from vehicles and figures so they can see everything at a glance. One thing to really avoid are those oversized bins that just turn into dumping pits with mixed up toys inside. These teach kids to dump everything on the floor to find the toy they want, and when they're stacked more than 2 levels deep, they can't reach the ones at the bottom without a grown-up's help. For toys that come in sets, I keep all the parts in clear pouches like these, so the kids can always enjoy the full benefits of the toy. For small toys, I use clear cases for cars, figures, Lego bricks, hanging systems for long toys like blasters, swords, pull-out bins for books, and caddies for art supplies. Whatever system you choose, you should only set it up once. Then it should be simple enough for your kids to clean up themselves afterwards. With this, I hope to teach them important life skills such as independence, responsibility, and to value the things that they have as early as possible. Fourth is R. For right. After arranging, my kids sometimes forget where things go, so I write labels on the containers to keep things organized. It's the secret to maintaining the arrangement. I label with pictures so even my youngest, who hasn't learned to read yet, can already understand. It's also useful when there are other adults who help clean up, like relatives or nannies. Fifth is T. Take care and maintain the system you have set up. This is easier than having to repeat the process all over. I let my kids pack away as early as possible. Sometimes I turn it into a game or sing a song. One method I follow is pick, play, pack or 3Ps, where my kids pick and play with 1, 2, maximum 3 toys and then pack them away before picking another. This way they won't need to clean up more than 3 toys at a time, and the toys don't get mixed up, so sorting is faster. Avoid waiting until the whole room is cluttered, or it will be too overwhelming for them to pack away themselves. A play table at the center of the room also helps, because once it starts getting full, it's a reminder to pack away before getting more. We also keep our toys in good condition by repairing small cracks or missing parts ASAP before they progress, and checking batteries from time to time or removing them before they leak. By treating our toys with respect, we hope it will teach our kids to value their things at an early age and let them enjoy them to the fullest, from the eldest to the youngest, for as long as possible. So those are my basic tips for organizing our kids' toys. If you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up icon and subscribe for more toy organizing tips and hacks that work. Comment in the description below for any organizing challenge you want me to talk about. Until the next video, this is Tidy Mommy, organizing for maximum fun, making toys last, and encouraging independence.